All right, I have this product which says that it's going to clean your ears, clean your ear holes out if you have pierced ears. Now, I myself do not have pierced ears, but my wife does, and she said that I can. She said that she would try this for me. But here's what it says on the box: Aftercare piercing solution, safely clean, soothe, and gently heal new irritated and keloid piercings. Of course, you can also use this on already established piercings, just to, every once in a while clean your hole out, I suppose. Natural, gentle. Has sea salt, tea tree oil, rosemary, and aloe in it. Here's some more information on it. This might help you if you would like to pause and read through it. Kind of gives you the process by which you can use it if you want. Let's open it up, see what's inside the container. So you have everything in this little plastic bag. So you have little itty bitty strings, it looks like, so that you can thread those through your ear. You also have a bottle of this solution, Aftercare piercing solution, cleans and gently soothes irritated and keloid piercings. And you also have this other bottle here. This says it is a piercing bump treatment, 10 milliliters of that. And there's the ingredients on that. Piercing bump treatment. So not sure exactly. It says how to use. Massage the oil onto bumps, scars, or keloids at least 2 to 3 times a day until healed. Depending on the severity, this can take up to several weeks. So you have that as well. If you have bumps or, let's see, keloids, scars, this can help soothe that, is what it claims to do. So we're going to let my wife try these out and see what she does as far as cleaning her ear holes. Each one of these things is flexible. Take just one out if I can. Flexible, slightly, I would say slightly stiff. That'll help you to thread it through. Yeah, so that's kind of what that looks like. So yeah, I'm going to have my wife try these out and tell you what she thinks. So they certainly seem to do the job. You're just going to apply a little bit of that solution to the string and then thread it through, and it should clean things up pretty good. Seems easy to use and effective, so I would say I recommend it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.